Hi everyone, this is Manish Pandey. Welcome back. Today we are going to explore code stage in Blue Prism. I will also walk you through a simple example to show how it works. So let's get started. What is code stage? Code stage is used to write and execute code, Visual Basic, C Sharp or J Sharp.NET languages within Blue Prism. Let me open this Object Studio. So we have this Blue Prism practice view. I'm going to use this Object Studio to show you that example because code stage can only be used within the Object Studio. Then that can be called basically in the Process Studio by using action stage. But if you want to write the code, we have to open Object Studio. So we'll be using this Blue Prism practice view. Here you can see we have code stage. Let me first go to this action page and drag and drop this here. The code stage allows you to write custom code to handle more complex scenario. The code stage in Blue Prism allow you to integrate custom code to extend the functionality of your automations, and this can be particularly useful for performing the complex calculations, integrating with the custom APIs, or handling unique logic that is not easily managed through the standard Blue Prism stages. Now let's walk through a practical example where we use the code stage to add two numbers and print the results. You can see this is the code stage. Double click on that and here you can see we have three tabs: inputs, outputs and code. So here we need to write the code and there is a button check code is to check the code. It means validate the code. Now how can you know that this code can be written in Visual Basic or JSAP or CSAP? How will that work? So for that we have to first configure the code language. So let me close this, and this is the Object Studio. This is the objects that you have created. So first we need to go to this initialize. This is the Blue Prism practice view. Open this properties, click on this code options. Here you can see here you can import the namespace and the references. We have language. You can see there are three languages here in the drop down. We'll first go with the Visual Basic. So whatever language you will select here, only you can write code in that language and it will work here. Now click OK. Now go to action. We have this code stage. Let's link this first here. Now double click on this code stage. Change this name code sum of two numbers. Okay. Now go to code tab. Write here code. So we'll be writing in the Visual Basic code. So we'll first declare the variables. So dim num1 as integer. Then we'll declare two more like num2 and then result. So dim num2 as integer. Third we'll take dim result as integer. Now we'll be passing the value to these two variables number 1 and number 2 to add the values. So we'll write here num1 equals to 10, num2, so we'll be taking 5 here. Now result equal to, we'll take here num1 plus num2. So 10 plus 5 equals to, the value will be stored to result. Now we will print this value. So in a message box, we'll write here message box, open close bracket, we'll write here result. So the whatever value, whatever output we'll get here, that will show in this message box. Now click on checkbox to validate this code. If there's any syntax error, anything, so you will get a pop-up message with a warning here. So currently we do not have any error message, but let's say if you're doing any mistake, let's say you did like this. Now click check code and you can see here there is a error, that character is not valid. So we need to remove this and then click on check code. So you will see here the exact line where you are you did the mistake. Now to test this one, right click here, set next stage, and you can see here we are getting the output value, that is 15. Now if you want to just change the value, so do it like here 12 plus 5, so the output should be 17. Sorry, refresh this, right click again, set next stage, click next. Now you can see we are getting value 17, right? So by this way you can write custom code in code stage. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helped you understand how to use code stage in Blue Prism. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. If you have any question, feel free to leave them in comments below. Until next time, happy learning.